Good morning, everyone. Good morning, my friends. Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to my class. Yes, my channel, also my class. This class now, Italian Pidgin English class. Okay, Pidgin where we say with the cut and join italo. Now for this class with the cut, with the join italo, so that we go capisci. Okay. Before I forget, I'm your madam, I'm your teacher, I'm your lady, whatever you wanna call me, Lady Jane. Okay, in the house. Y'all welcome back. Before, one more thing, click on that red button if you have not subscribed. Click on that red button, select the alls on the notification bar so that whenever I put them, it go land, so you go to catch them. I see the hot. Today's topic now, simple ways of greetings in Italy. You know, some of us are big great, even for my country, Nigeria. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I know say most of us know, but I mean, as we don't come this place, we learn everything here. Some people say feel they talk them, but they don't even know how they talk them. Some know everything. Before I forget to, this class, as I always they talk, not be for people who don't capisci tutto for Italo, not be for professionals for Italo, not be people who don't get B2, B3, B10. This class now for people who are appena arrivata, we say they just enter Italo, we say they just enter like last year, last 2 years, we say they don't sabi talk or anything for Italo. So if to say you don't learn finish, I beg, help me go down to the comment section, comment and correct me if I make mistake, because me too, now the same road me there. But if to say you are new here, join us as we they go. Bring out your biro, your paper, they write on that so they talk. Okay, make I start from the simple one where we know now. Buongiorno, buongiorno. That one a good morning. Okay, everybody know that one. And a good morning, good day. Okay, make I write on that. We be say, no be say na no sabi that. Make I write on buongiorno, buongiorno. This one a good morning, buongiorno. You see, I'm buongiorno. Okay, na good morning. It can be good morning. Okay. Okay. This one too can also be good afternoon or buon pomeriggio. Italo can they say buon pomeriggio. Pomeriggio. That is good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay, buon pomeriggio, but we are used to saying buongiorno, even for morning, even for afternoon, but not the same thing. But don't forget that it's buongiorno. Okay, then for evening self, na buonasera. Buona, you know, say I don't enter sera. That one na for evening, like from this buongiorno na from morning till 12. What we say for Nigeria is good morning from morning till 11:30, 12 na noon. So for afternoon, if you say buon pomeriggio or buon di na dialect or buongiorno, you can even greet buongiorno even from morning till afternoon, from morning till 4 o'clock. You can still say buongiorno, it doesn't matter. Giorno na day, so it's still daytime. Buonasera na evening time, that is good evening. Good, forget my writing. Evening. Okay, evening. I think I get it for English. English itself don't they tire for me. I pity that one. Where be say me, they no born me for a country where be say my mother tongue no be English. I can't manage it. Now I can't come Italian. Italian won't come out and finish for one. We go. There is God though. This one na buonasera na for evening time. The greater. For night, if person want go night, go bed, or if they type message, they share with your friend. When it's night, you go tell the person I want go bed, I want go sleep. Buonanotte. That one na buona notte. That is good night. Good night. Make I write it very well, because you get some Italian people where they also learn this thing. Where we say they marry in English speaking people. I find out somebody wrote me that she's learning English too, broken English, because her fiance now a Nigerian man. So now make me mad they write down for English, because she too they learn. Okay, I've gotten so many followers so far. To God be the glory. Okay, this one na buonanotte, good night. Okay, for Italy here, their greetings is okay. They don't attach too much importance for greetings. Unlike African culture, where we say if you no greet person, you're your own. For here, if you no greet them, they don't even care. What they want is that respect. You can not be saying you go greet person, you no go respect that person. Okay. But it's good to always greet with smile so that you can have your favor. You can, if you enter office and greet somebody, you know, it shows that you are learning, you are cultured. The Italian will say, if you know give the maleducato, but if you greet, maybe say they train you. Okay, maybe say you know go get what you want, go take, but it's always good to be good. Courtesy demand greetings. Okay, we finish for this one. If you don't understand me, raise up your hand though, so that I can come back. Okay, as you dey clean, you dey write. Another one now, if you see somebody for road, because I noticed that even when I was new, if I see somebody who I know, I feel say shout, the person will reply to me serve. The person will tell me like shout. Shout is hi, hello. Hello. But if the person who I know, this shout now, it can be my friends, can be my somebody I know on the street. Maybe we are just neighbors, we normally see on the street, maybe in the church, somewhere your face is familiar to me, I'll say ciao. But if na person who I never know, that one na serve. Maybe if I'm passing on the road, a new street, I'm looking for a street, I say serve. That is hi. Okay? There are two different things. You can tell somebody ciao, the person will reply is serve. He's right, he or she is right, because you know and she know you. So it's better to always use serve. It's a way of telling the person, maybe two of them don't know each other. But if we in my way just come, we can see use ciao. It doesn't matter, they understand. We no go speak Italo person, Italo themselves, okay? Then another one is when you are telling somebody benvenuta, welcome, okay? Benvenuta, benvenuta. If na woman ta, if na man na to, make I know the right too much, okay? That one na if person they come back. If your friend come back, if your wife come back, if your neighbor come back, now be welcome. You know, say for English now one. Whether you be man, you be woman, now one. But for Italo, if na woman na a, if na man na benvenuto. You know, say buon riposa. That riposo, excuse me, buon riposa. That one na go if person finish work, you go write buon riposo. Now person will finish work, buon wey be say down na colleague wey be say finish work, we wan go house, you go tell am about repose. That is a good rest, good rest. Person wey wan rest, wey be say at the rest, okay, bon repose. Okay. Another one na don't talk benvenuto, vera and benvenuto. Another one na arrivederci. Okay. You know, say for this Italo, they get so many things as I talk am before, they get them for body. And this one na arrivederci. Arrivederci, vederci. See me, they write a small letter, but also join with a capital letter. Arrivederci. That is, see you soon. Okay? See you soon. Bye. See you soon. See you soon. Catch you. See ya. Okay? There's another word we say arrivedela. Arrivedela. This one now. Na official way of saying arrivederci. Maybe if you go office, if you go IMSS office, that place where they say that they do demand for anything we want. If you see the man or the woman in the office, where they say Mr. Peter or Mr. Marco, Mr. whatever, do this, or Mr. Williams, you're welcome. When you finish with the person, you want to come out, if you say arrivederci, because na official way. Maybe the person say you go and bring the form, come, go do this. Maybe you never finish and you are coming back. You say, okay, arrivederci. That means see you soon. But this one na official word. This one na your friends. Maybe say, ciao. If you enter office, you no go tell the man, ciao. You go say, buongiorno. When you finish, you go say, arrivederci. But if na your friend for road, ciao, arrivederci. You know, see. Most people, they use this one. But it's also good. We, my way just come, we can use arrivederci. It doesn't matter. Whether we recognize the difference, it doesn't matter. But it's good to know something. Even if you're not using that, it's good to always know something. Okay? Another one is buon domenica. Now, that one is Sunday. You can say buon domenica. Buona domenica. I think buona domenica. Yeah, I think it's buona domenica. Buona domenica. That one na Sunday. Domenica and Sunday. Happy Sunday. As you might say, happy Sunday. This one na happy Sunday, like yesterday will be Sunday. You say happy Sunday, na buona domenica. Okay, if na something like Easter, na buona Pasqua, buona Pasqua, happy Easter, Easter. Okay, then Bonano. All these things now greeting, depending on the season. Bonano. That's Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Okay. This one Happy New Year. I remember when we go embassy for Nigeria, they say make we when we apply to come Italo, make we go learn Italian language at least small. If I have gotten this opportunity, I will also for when I come here. But now, things don't days now. You can learn it even when your husband is here. You're planning to migrate. You're planning to come and do the contribution to familiar, maybe to stay with your husband or your wife. This my channel will be very important. It will make you learn small. Maybe say if you enter, you go at least sabi for airport how to greet somebody. Okay. Okay. Another one now. Bona weekend. Bona weekend. And you know this one now. Happy weekend. Happy weekend. When we say on Friday, don't reach, you go say the person happy weekend. If I adopted this word, they use them. Or buona fine settimana. Fine settimana, they call them fine. Settimana. Settimana. End of the weekend. We say now weekend. Okay, me, I use them for my friends. I they chat them for English sometimes. They understand. Maybe say they know, they know. Okay? If you, as Friday the dish now, if you they chat with your friend, if you tell them buona weekend, or you know, something like that. Another one now, buona vacanza. Buona vacanza. Buon vacanza. Vacanza. Now, happy holidays. That is happy holidays. Okay? We'll be saying a day for holiday period, or maybe the person want to travel, go holiday, go tell them buon viaggio, buon vacanza. Buon viaggio. Buon viaggio. That is safe journey. Safe journey. That is our safe trip. This one, the person will want to travel, you tell them buon viaggio, safe trip. Buon vacanza. Buon vacanza, safe holidays or happy holidays. Okay. Another one will be say, you know, so all these things now. They maybe say they're very important for our life, but in a small way of learning it so that you can easily communicate with everybody on the road. This one na Natale, Christmas na Buon Natale. Buon Natale. Na Happy Christmas. Happy Christmas. Christmas. Happy. Let's say the Christmas. That's one na Buon Natale. Then for New Year, they call them Capodanno. Happy New Year, where would they talk? Buon anno nuovo. Happy New Year. If not New Year, then I be that New Year, that 1st of January, na Capodanno. I think it's Capodanno. The anno. 1P. Yeah, it's 1P. Capodanno. That is a New Year day. New Year day. Okay? Then if na Happy New Year na buon anno. Or buon anno nuovo, depende. Happy buon anno. Buon anno nuovo. That is Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Okay? For here, I'm attaching, they attach much important for Italian language. You know, she says sometimes I cut English because all I do it now. Okay? So for this topic is a very short topic because they know too much, you know too long. I mean, I don't want to make it long, so I want to make it cut down because for this channel we know they talk too much. We they put action because if we talk too much, people will forget. Okay, before I forget, do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, and may God bless you. Too. See you next time. In next topic, we are going to talk about which one is more important? Nouns. Okay. Personal pronouns, okay, how to use he, she, it. Okay, so till then, I still remain your girl, your teacher, or whatever you call me, Lady Jen, okay? Thank you. See you soon. Ciao.